Hi, my name is Andrew, and today I'm going to be teaching passive voice. What happened there? The teacher threw the ball. So this is an active sentence. Why? The teacher does the action, the verb. Okay? If you want to change this to passive, because maybe the teacher isn't important, maybe the ball is important. So the first step is to make sure, do you have a subject? Yes, we have a subject, the teacher. Next, what's the verb? The verb is throw. What's the object? The object is the ball. We've got an object. We can make this sentence passive. So that's the first step. The second step is we take the old object and we make it the new subject. The ball. The next step is that we have to add a form of be in the same tense as the old verb. Well, threw. Threw is in past. So we need to add a form of be in the past. It must agree with the subject, ball, one. So the ball was. Next, we have to put the original verb in. But because we've already changed this verb to match this, we now have to use a different form. We use the past participle form. So we take the old verb and we add it to the new sentence in the past participle. For your regular verbs, they're the ed forms. But throw is not a regular verb. So it changes to was thrown. The ball was thrown. Oh, but who threw it? Maybe we still want to know who that is. So we take the old subject and we make it the new agent. It's not the subject anymore because it's not the beginning of the sentence. So we give it a new name. We call it the agent. It's the thing that does stuff. Thrown. But to show that it's not the subject anymore, we add a word, by. So that shows that it's the agent, and then we add by the teacher. Okay? This sentence here has changed the order of the thing that receives the action of the verb and the thing that does the action of the verb. So this is now passive, whereas the other one is active. The steps we did: 1, find the subject, verb, and object. 2, make the old object the new subject. 3, add a form of be in the tense of the old verb. 4, add the old verb in the past participle. 5. If needed, because sometimes we don't care who the object is, who the agent is, and sometimes we don't know who it is. If needed, add by, add by, and the old subject as the new agent. And now you've changed your sentence from the teacher threw the ball to the ball was thrown by the teacher. A passive sentence.